Can I connect my Wii U controller to play Fortnite on another device?
Hey there, gamers! Welcome back to another video. Today, we'll be discussing a popular question that many Fortnite enthusiasts have been asking: can I connect my Wii U controller to play Fortnite on another device? Well, let's find out.
Understanding Wii U controller compatibility.
Before we dive into the specifics, it's important to understand the compatibility of the Wii U controller with other devices. The Wii U controller, also known as the Wii U GamePad, is primarily designed for use with the Wii U console. Its functionality and features are optimized for that particular gaming system.
Connecting Wii U controller to other devices.
Unfortunately, connecting the Wii U controller to other devices, such as PCs, smartphones, or other gaming consoles, is not officially supported by Nintendo. The Wii U GamePad uses a proprietary wireless connection specific to the Wii U console, which makes it incompatible with most other devices.
Alternatives for playing Fortnite.
While using the Wii U controller directly may not be possible, there are alternative options available for playing Fortnite on other devices. Most platforms and devices offer their own compatible controllers or support for keyboard and mouse inputs. For example, on PCs, you can use various gamepads, including Xbox, PlayStation, or even Nintendo Switch controllers, to play Fortnite.
Wii U Pro Controller.
If you're specifically interested in using a Wii U controller, there is an alternative. The Wii U Pro Controller, a more traditional gamepad with a similar layout to other console controllers, can be used with some devices. However, this compatibility depends on the device and the game itself.
Using Wii U Pro Controller on Nintendo Switch.
One notable exception is the Nintendo Switch. The Wii U Pro Controller is compatible with the Nintendo Switch console, allowing you to use it to play Fortnite or other games available on that platform. To connect the Wii U Pro Controller to the Nintendo Switch, follow these steps. 1. Ensure that your Nintendo Switch is powered on. 2. Navigate to the System Settings menu. 3. Select Controllers and Sensors from the options. 4. Choose Change Grip Order. 5. Press and hold the sync button on the Wii U Pro Controller until the player LEDs start flashing. 6. On your Nintendo Switch, select the corresponding player icon that matches the LEDs on the Wii U Pro Controller. With these steps, you can connect the Wii U Pro Controller to your Nintendo Switch and enjoy Fortnite or other supported games. While the Wii U controller itself is not directly compatible with most devices for playing Fortnite, there are alternative options available. Consider using compatible controllers or peripherals supported by the device or platform you wish to play Fortnite on. Remember to check the official documentation and compatibility information provided by the respective manufacturers. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!